We finally made it to the GPT-5 era. Everyone is talking about how smart the new AI models are, but did you know you don't need a pricey subscription to access this next-level tech? Microsoft has quietly integrated the brand new GPT-5 engine directly into Copilot. It's faster, it understands context better, and it's living right inside your Windows taskbar. If you are a beginner, or if you're still using the old versions of AI, this video is your crash course. Let's look at the new Copilot. First, the basics. What is Copilot? Think of it as an operating system for your life. It's not just a chatbot anymore. It's an assistant that sees what you are doing. And like a basic website, Copilot is integrated into Windows. You can drag a document into it, ask it to change your PC settings, or organize your messy tabs. It combines three things: personal assistant, a superpowered search engine, and a creative studio. And it's all powered by Microsoft's massive cloud. Now, let's talk about the engine. This is the most important part. Microsoft Copilot is powered by OpenAI's GPT-5. If you used Chat a year ago, you might remember it making mistakes or being slow. GPT-5 is a different beast. It has advanced reasoning, which means it actually thinks through a problem before answering. Usually, to get GPT-5 access on other platforms, you have to pay a monthly fee, but Microsoft provides access to this model for free to help you search and create. Plus, unlike the standard chat, Copilot is connected to the live internet. Let's test the new brain. I'm going to give it a complex request planning a trip with real-time flight prices. Watch how fast it processes this. See that? That's the speed of GPT-5. It didn't just guess, it checked real flight data and structured a specialized itinerary in seconds. And of course, it creates visuals. Whether you need a logo, a wallpaper, or a slide for a presentation, you just ask for it. So, should you use it? Absolutely. It's free. It runs on the world's most advanced AI model GPT-5 and it's already on your computer. Don't let the tech jargon scare you. Just open it up and start chatting. If you want to see a full comparison between Copilot Pro and the free version, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Copilot.